This is O.10 Find missing angles in quadrilaterals. All right. So quadrilateral is any shape that has four sides. Right. It's a big word. It might be intimidating. Quadrilateral. All right. So the first part, quad, just means four, and the lateral part means side. So it's any shape with four sides. Uh, Common ones are squares, rectangles. What else we got? We got trapezoids. I'm thinking back to what we learned in sixth grade. Trapezoids, and we got rhombus. All right, and rhombus is not as common as you might think. They're just a kite or diamond shape. Okay, so those are like basic ones, but any shape that has four sides that are some of them are regular, like the one we're looking at right here. We got this short side here, short side, and then we got this long side here, and then we got some medium sides. So any shape with four sides is quadrilateral. It may not have a name for it, like this one, but it still is. And our job is to find the missing angle, which seems familiar because we just did an assignment on that on finding missing angles of a triangle, and most of those problems seem fairly straightforward. If you didn't have to name the triangle, or it's not a special type of triangle, it's a straightforward one, right? So these quadrilaterals don't have special names because they got some weird looking sides here, just some odd sides. And so it seems like all these problems are going to be straightforward. We just have to know one key piece of information. All right. And the key piece is every quadrilateral. Oh my gosh, it's such a long word. Lateral. That R looks weird. Quadrilateral, it equals 360 degrees. Okay. So with that information, we're going to do the exact same thing that we did for triangles. So here we got three angles here. We got 86 plus 128 plus 91. All right. It's got three numbers here, so I'm just gonna jump into a calculator. Got 86 plus 128 plus 91, and that equals 305. So we know that the quadrilateral has 360 degrees. So now we're going to do 360 minus 305, and that's just a straight up 55. I know that because 305 plus 55 is 360. So the missing angle is 55. All right. I did some notes on this one, so kind of ran out of space there. So basically the exact same steps as a triangle, or any basic triangles if you know the other sides. All right. Let's type 55 in there. 55. Enter. Got it. Good. Oh, this one looks interesting. Oh, we got three angles there. So, oh, I almost want to just jump in and start doing the problem. Let's just remember a quadrilateral is 360. I'm not going to write the word 360. Let's add up these three angles. 106 plus 114 plus 108. All right. I'm going to go jump to a calculator. 106 plus 114 plus 108 equals 328. So 328. Then we're going to subtract that from 360. Right? Very familiar. So very similar to what we did with triangles. And then you can use a calculator, or this is pretty straightforward. Let's do borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And this acute angle, remember small angle, acute is 32. All right, I'm just trying to review a little vocab because from what I've seen of this assignment, it's pretty much easier than triangle stuff. I'm sorry that triangle stuff came first, but we use the triangle stuff to build a foundation to make this type of work easier now. So same example here. Let's jump up some levels, and you can see that, hey, oh, same example. It doesn't matter what level we jump up, even if we're in the challenge zone here. It might give you a word problem, but you know what? The word problem, let me just focus on it. It has three angles, 1, 2, 3. So let's add them up. 95, 231, and 14. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 and 1 is 14. And that's 1 plus 2 is 3. 340 minus, oops, I forgot. 360 was our total. Just trying to work too fast. 360 minus 340. And the answer was 20. 60 minus 40 is 20. So that should be our answer there, 20 degrees. Before I type in this answer, I did do the math by longhand. So let's just make sure. 95 plus 231 plus 14 equals 340. Yeah. All right. Gotta check the work. The word problem, no big deal. Do it the same way. Don't need a picture. Word problem, do the same way. Don't need a picture. Uh, sorry. All these problems are the exact same way. There's no special types of quadrilaterals here to deal with. And so this is a straightforward assignment. Hopefully you don't find this too tricky. I know I didn't say this at the very beginning, but if we were looking at common quadrilaterals, like a rectangle or a square, they all have 4 of these right angles. And a right angle is 90. So let's do 90 times 4 of them. And that should equal 360. So it's a pretty easy way to remember that all quadrilaterals equal 360 degrees. Because you could just think of one of those quadrilaterals. 90 plus 90 is 180, 270, and 360. Okay? Alright, that's going to be it for this video. So much shorter, so much quicker. You only got the one to watch. Alright, good luck on the assignment.